Our journey begins with the heart of our solar system, the Sun. A blazing ball of gas, the Sun is the source of light, warmth, and energy that sustains life on Earth. But beyond its brilliance lies a realm of infinite mystery, a system of planets, moons, comets, and asteroids, all bound together by the invisible threads of gravity. This is our solar system, a cosmic neighborhood located in the Milky Way galaxy. From the small rocky worlds to the massive gas giants, each planet holds its own secrets and wonders. But let us begin our journey at the beginning, closest to the source of it all, the Sun. Our first stop is Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. A world of extremes, Mercury's surface is scorched by temperatures that soar to over 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 430 degrees Celsius, during the day, yet plummets to nearly -330 degrees Fahrenheit, -201 degrees Celsius, at night. Its lack of atmosphere leaves it vulnerable to the Sun's intense heat and the vacuum of space. Mercury takes just 88 Earth days to orbit the Sun, moving at speeds faster than any other planet. Yet despite its proximity to the Sun, Mercury is often hidden from our view. Its small size and proximity to the Sun make it difficult to observe, but it is a world of ancient terrain and hidden mysteries, craters, vast plains, and an ancient core that tells the tale of its violent past. Next, we travel to Venus, our twin planet, similar in size and composition to Earth, but with a very different fate. The atmosphere of Venus is thick with clouds of sulfuric acid and carbon dioxide, trapping heat in a runaway greenhouse effect that makes it the hottest planet in our solar system. Temperatures on Venus soar to over 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. The pressure at the surface is 90 times that of Earth, equivalent to being a mile deep in the ocean. Yet, beneath these harsh conditions, scientists believe Venus once had oceans. Could this world have harbored life in the distant past, or was it always a furnace, doomed to suffer under its oppressive clouds? And here we are, our home, Earth, the only planet known to support life. Earth's unique atmosphere, composed of oxygen and nitrogen, allows liquid water to flow across its surface, creating a perfect environment for life to thrive. From the tallest mountains to the deepest oceans, Earth is a world of contrasts. It is our sanctuary in the vast expanse of space. But what makes Earth truly special is the delicate balance of forces that allow life to flourish. Unlike Venus, Earth's atmosphere regulates heat, and unlike Mars, Earth has abundant liquid water. But Earth is not isolated. It is part of a dynamic system, orbiting the Sun with the other planets. And in its orbit, Earth shares a special bond with a solitary companion, the Moon. The Moon, Earth's only natural satellite, has shaped our world in more ways than one. It stabilizes Earth's axis, preventing extreme shifts in climate. Its gravitational pull is responsible for the tides, and its surface, pockmarked with craters, tells the story of a violent early solar system. The Moon's barren surface holds the secrets of our solar system's past, with evidence of impacts and a history written in dust and rock. The Apollo missions, which took humans to the Moon for the first time in 1969, were not just a triumph of exploration. They were a step in understanding the cosmic forces that shaped our solar system. Mars, the red planet, is our next stop. Once a world with rivers, lakes, and possibly even oceans, Mars now appears barren and cold. Its surface is coated in iron oxide, giving it its reddish hue, and its thin atmosphere offers little protection from the harsh conditions of space. Mars is home to the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, and a canyon system so vast it stretches across the entire planet. Mars' geological history speaks of a once thriving world, but now it is a frozen desert. Could life have once existed here? And could it return in the future? With numerous missions currently exploring Mars, these questions may soon be answered. Next, we encounter Jupiter, the king of the planets. With a diameter of nearly 89,000 miles, 142,000 kilometers, Jupiter is more than 11 times the size of Earth. This gas giant is a world of storms, with its famous Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth that has been raging for at least 400 years. Jupiter's atmosphere is composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, and its immense gravity governs much of the solar system, including the orbits of its dozens of moons. Among these moons, the four largest, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, are fascinating worlds in their own right, each with unique features, from volcanic activity to subsurface oceans. Saturn is the jewel of the solar system. Its magnificent rings, made of ice and rock, make it one of the most recognizable planets in the universe. Saturn's rings are not solid but made of countless tiny particles, each orbiting the planet in perfect harmony. Saturn is another gas giant, composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. Beneath its swirling clouds, Saturn's moons are a treasure trove of exploration. Titan, the largest of Saturn's moons, is particularly intriguing. With its thick atmosphere and seas of liquid methane, Titan may hold the keys to understanding the potential for life beyond Earth. Uranus and Neptune, the ice giants, are the farthest planets from the Sun. These distant worlds are colder and more mysterious than their gas giant counterparts. Uranus is tipped on its side, with its axis of rotation almost parallel to its orbit, while Neptune is a world of fierce winds, the fastest in the solar system. Neptune, with its deep blue color and stormy atmosphere, is a world of extremes. It has 14 known moons, and its largest moon, Triton, orbits in the opposite direction of the planet's rotation, an oddity that suggests it may have once been a captured object. Uranus and Neptune are worlds of ice, methane, and gas, a realm of cold beauty that feels almost otherworldly. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, a vast region of icy bodies, comets, and dwarf planets, including Pluto. And further still is the Oort cloud, a distant and mysterious region thought to be the source of long-period comets. These frozen relics of the early solar system hold clues to the origins of our cosmic neighborhood. As we return to the Sun, we reflect on the incredible diversity and scale of our solar system. From the fiery surfaces of Mercury and Venus to the icy reaches of the Kuiper Belt, our solar system is a place of constant wonder and discovery. Each planet, moon, and comet has its own unique story to tell, and our journey through the solar system is far from over. As technology advances and our exploration of these distant worlds continues, new mysteries will unfold, and our understanding of the cosmos will deepen. This is our solar system, our cosmic home, a place of beauty, danger, and discovery, and our journey through it is just beginning.